I am Kurt Barcelona and you are watching my YouTube channel. So if you don't know me, this YouTube channel is all about DIY, do-it-yourself, repair, design, and tips, and many more. So please click that subscribe button below and please hit that bell notification icon so that you won't miss any of my future videos. Before I proceed with the video, first a word from our sponsor, Altium Designer. Altium Designer is the industry's leading PCB design software that combines schematic, layout, and more in one environment to make printed circuit boards. You can automatically route, test, and check the bill of materials of your designs in Altium Designer. To get a free trial, please click the link down in the description below. Also, a shout out to Octopart.com. This is where I search my new parts for my new designs. Octopart.com. So for today's video, I will discuss to you about the problems encountered sa Toyota BB, specifically dun po sa ating combination meter or dun po sa ating instrument gauge. Kasi sa instrument gauge, nalalaman nyo na meron tayong speed, may RPM, may fuel, and meron tayong odometer plus yung PRND and 2 and 1. So, sa specific na sira nito, actually, this is about the RPM, speed, and the fuel. Kasi ito silang tatlo, nakakonekto sila sa main board gamit ang jumper. So, itong jumper na to, minsan, sa both ends from the board itself, sa main board, at doon sa auxiliary board kung saan ang mga meters natin, like yung fuel, speed, and RPM, baka may cold solder joints. And talamak po ito sa mga 1990s na mga sasakyan kung kailan pa sila nagsimula electronic sa kanilang speed, velocity, RPM, and fuel. Kasi dati pa gamit nila is cables lang, pressure, and actually mechanical and analog. Ito kasi digital. So may mga sira talaga at certain points, but hindi naman kabuuan. So, ang sintomas ito is actually pag nagpapatakbo kayo biglang nawawala RPM pero ang speed nandun, or nagpapatakbo kayo ang RPM meron, ang speed wala, and hindi talaga gumagalaw ang needle, as in zero. Pati sa fuel, minsan zero at hindi naman accurate kasi parang weird nila mag-move, no? And ang reason talaga ito is vibration. Vibration over time nagkakos ng disconnection from the ribbon cable to the main board and vice versa. So, ang solution nito is actually to open the instrument cluster and i-hit lang yung solder joints na yun. Iinitin lang natin and mafi-fix yan. Dahil po ito sa cold solder joints, kaya kung gagawa tayo ng paraan, gagawa tayo ng bagong solder joint doon, mawawala yung problema. And ito po yung papakita ko sa inyo paano to ma-fix. And hopefully, hindi po to mangyayari sa inyo. Pero meron pang mas malala dito actually. This is actually the breakdown of the instrument cluster computer itself. So, meron din dalawang parts ng video. First part is yung cold solder. Paano natin ma-prevent yan? Paano maayos? At yung next is the irreparable part or yung kailangan natin i-replace yung instrument cluster. Okay? Ipapakita ko sa inyo paano ayusin ang cold solder joint. Ayan.